Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to add empty columns between existing columns in Excel. This simple technique can help you better organize your data and make your spreadsheets easier to read. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Next, open the worksheet where you want to add new columns. Then, select the columns beside which you want to insert a new one. For example, if you want to add an empty column between column A and column B, select column B. After that, go to the top menu and click on the Home tab. In the Home section, find the Insert button in the Cells group. Click on Insert, and Excel will automatically add a new empty column to the left of your selection. You can repeat this process to insert as many empty columns as you need between other columns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.